Yes, my wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, me peeps. Today, me people, me a stand up and do the video. Yeah. Because to how me feel, me can't really sit down and do the video. Yeah. A lady from the UK reached out to me. And the lady said to me, she take up this boy from Jamaica. Can I go call him boy, because he can't be man. Him a man too. Him a boy. There's a difference between a man and a boy. You understand me I say? The woman come to Jamaica, getting her things with you, and take you up. Go England. And you go England. And 9 months in England, brother, and you don't find a job. 9 months in England and you don't find a job, brother. And still I live for the woman. And the woman say she not have it like that. The woman say she saw somebody who she fall in love with. Somebody who she can help. She there England and make the bare minimum when normal people are make. She doesn't make enough if she can take. Somebody come to England. The amount what she did for reach, she never reach upon her own. She have to join, finance it with somebody else, a family member, to stand with her to reach the money, the threshold if you can cast money come to England, brother. And the woman carry you to England to knock heads with her and build life and better her life. And 9 months in England and you don't find a job. Sit down upon the woman. And nyam, her drink, her watch TV, her chat on phone, her piss and her shit, that's all. I chat to everybody down at Jamaica and make it worse. You too pity them down at Jamaica. You look on the woman. And I beg the woman money if you send go give your pity them, brother. No, man. A uno are the definition of workless Jamaica, man. Uno are the definition of the reason why we don't see some woman never try with certain man. Because we are hold down. You know how much youth there Jamaica right now need a blind? You know how much youth there Jamaica right now that just love to find a nice woman we trust and believe in them and want to make see life better for them and give them that opportunity to come in a developed country where they can work and make better themselves to help build up that woman and take care of them family, whether the family is back home or with them. No. Somehow no boy love sweet from morning. That's why we don't have a woman where they are foreigner or no they are Jamaica. We not glad cause she has send money come do no rare area on the not figure work. Because we not tell a woman in Jamaica say me can't find no job. She'll understand. Cause she say you there Jamaica how long and you don't even know if you ever work. He say friend she know you. For the 2 years before you reach England, you never ever work a day in your life. Always she ya call pan. Every bell ring a she you call. Say me need to do this, me need to do that. All of the run up and down them go on to Jamaica for you reach in England. You never put a red cent youth. Jaja know. And look how much hard working you did it. I look for a nice woman to give them an opportunity for them come work and build life with that woman there. 9 months in England. So what you tell me say? No supermarket in England. No warehouse in England. No factory in England. Want to cleaning job. Want to all them look sit there. You can't summertime come out. You can't go cut somebody yard. You can't go clean out somebody shed. You can't do something, brother, if you make something. If you help people pay one little council tax. The woman say nothing. The woman say you become a bird. Imagine a woman, brother. A woman. A look and can reach out to a man like me and tell me say her husband has become a burden to her from the moment he reach in England. The woman say her life get harder since you reach in England because all you did do the phone and chat to man at Jamaica. And everybody at Jamaica. You understand and tell them about foreign or foreign this and foreign that. When you know about foreign, you never work a day in your life a foreign, brother. When you know about foreign, You get the opportunity. I can understand if a man reaching a foreign. And when him reaching a foreign, boom, 1 month or 2, him not get no work yet, kind of get things together. Even 3 months max. But brother, if you reach 3 months or to 4 months, you're supposed to have a job in a foreign. Remember me tell you that. Any job at all, and if a dog shit you are clean on the road, it doesn't matter. It no matter where. If I walk, you go walk people, dog, it doesn't matter. You're supposed to do something where you earn your little shilling. If I walk, you walk around in England with your bucket and ask people to wash them car. For £10 or even £5, it's better than nothing. You can pay even an internet bill, my lad. Me say me hear the tears in the woman. Me say the tone. You could have hear tears in the woman tone. When the woman has said she make the biggest mistake because she carry a workless man come to England, come put on with herself. Brother, the woman couldn't reach the threshold to get in England. Your plane ticket, the woman look make up for buy your plane ticket, brother. For get in England. The woman carry you and carry go shop man thing and ray and everything. Forget your setup. And brother, you not do nothing what kind of man you is. The first thing you should do if you're not work, you better you make the woman go borrow money again and say, baby, I want to go do a forklift license. I want to go do a security license. I want to go do something where can get me a job. I want to go do one little construction car that I can go up on a construction site and look much place I build in England. And enough I wanna love talk about foreign and wanna want a bus. And me want this and me want that. Wanna want a bus? Wanna want piece of guava tick. Well soaked down in a engine oil. One fat piece of guava tick. Well soaked down in a engine oil and put on the turn up and put it on your knee. And make on fall aground. Because some want to workless. Or you have to left Jamaica, brother. And come to England and come live for a woman back, brother. That's a woman can look and say she feel burdened down. She feels stressed. She feel like her life a go down now one hole, brother. You not do nothing. You can't buy food and you have every day. You can't pay a bill and you watch TV. And run up phone bill. And the woman a pay your phone bill and you depend on phone every day. Brother, if you would even be so bad if in 9 months you went there and even try something by even TikTok or something or on the internet and I make something, brother. I carry something at all, some money. Oh, you feel as a man, brother. 9 months in a woman house in England you take you from Jamaica. And you never look on your woman and say, baby, see £50 here. Put it towards something. See £50 here, put it towards something. Brother, enough man, they are England, them probably not have a proper job, but they go paying people house. They go paying people house, brother, and them look at something, them, my lad. Them go wash off people driveway. You better if you make your woman buy one little power washer or something, give you, and you go wash off people driveway and go clean. Brother, you not left Jamaica with no close-line mentality. Nothing at all. Or what you want do? You want to go on the road, go sell white powder, and police lock you up. Them they don't make no sense, brother, because you stay on there and watch flashy life and hear about England and them and America and Canada and see people live somewhere. Enough man work hard for them money, brother. Enough man go work every day and get a 1 day off and go put on them nice clothes and go buy 2 liquor and enjoy themselves. And just get the little weekend off and gone back to work Monday morning again. Uno, enough of uno man. Uno make you look bad for some man and make some Jamaica man look workless. Brother, you are one of the Jamaican them. We should have still there Jamaica if you wanna suffer and still a suffer because you don't make no sense. Whole heap of youth there Jamaica right now we need the opportunity where you get. You are one of the wrong man them we get. Remember me tell you that. There is nothing but a big old workless cruff all Jamaican boy. Remember me tell you that you is not even a man. Believe me when me tell you that. Lady, take J Progress advice. Left the dirty workless boy. Remember when J Progress tell you that. No real man you not take up from Jamaica and can't go in a foreign country. And 9 months them there in the foreign country. And don't put $50 in your hand as a woman. where they make from nowhere at all. A man like that come to live upon you until you, hey, listen to me. Believe me when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe no man. You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.